12. Why do you think the zygote is dormant for some time in a fertilized ovule? Why is it like that? So for that, the answer goes like, development of zygote does not start prior to the development of unless primary endospermic nucleus is not formed, the zygote will not start its development. The endosperm provides nutrition in developing a zygote and embryo, and therefore zygote remains dormant for some time. Okay, makes sense, students? Makes sense? As until and unless you don't have the energy to do something, the thing won't be done, and therefore zygote will stay dormant until and unless primary endospermic nucleus is not